Hello, little learners. Today we have a special friend with us. Look, it's a cute cat. The cat wants to read a story, but first we need to learn some sounds. Are you ready to learn?
Yes.
This is letter A. A says A. This is letter T. T says T. When we put A and T together, they make a new sound. A, T, at. Now you say it.
A, T, at. A, T, at.
Welcome to at family. Many words live with at. K at,
Cat.
B at,
Bat.
H at,
Hat.
M at,
Mat.
S at.
Set.
Now story time. The cat and the bat. A at cat, S at sat on a m at mat. The at cat had a h at hat. A b at bat saw the at cat. The b at bat s at sat on the m at mat. The at cat and b at bat had fun. Excellent work! Today we learned the at family.
K at cat. B at bat. H at hat. M at mat. And S at sat.
Keep practicing reading, and I will see you soon in our next CVC lesson. Bye bye.